Corpus.
Hello everyone, my name is Divya Dikshit. You are watching Corbis. Today in this video, we are going to discuss the topic regarding the trademark assignment and the trademark transmission. First of all, we'll tell you what is a trademark assignment and what is the trademark transmission, the kind of trademark assignment, the benefit of having a trademark assignment. We'll also talk about the document, and at last we'll cover the whole registration procedure. So let's begin the video. Trademark assignment. Assignment means to assign, so trademark assignment means transfer of a trademark from a current owner to the another owner. Let's talk about the trademark assignment in more simpler terms. Look, as physical properties get transferred in the similar manner, the trademark are also transferred from the current owner to the another owner. If we talk about the trademark assignment, then it acts as a legal document, means it's a written document that acts as a legal role where the owner's right, title, design, symbol get transferred with or without goodwill. Current owner is called the assigner and the another owner is called the assignee. Trademark transmission. According to the Act, the transmission means the transfer of trademark by the operation of law or the devolution on the personal representative of the deceased person by any other mode but not the assignment. Need of trademark assignment agreement in India. We have explained you about the trademark assignment transmission, but we haven't tell you that why there is need for the trademark assignment. So let me explain you. A trademark assignment arises, means a need for trademark assignment arises when the company is sold off or being purchased by the another organization, or in case the company is having so many trademarks and they decide to sell some of them. Kinds of trademark assignment agreement. So let's discuss about the kinds of trademark assignment agreement which are laid down as follows. Kinds of trademark assignment agreement: assignment of intellectual property right agreement, assignment and transfer agreement, intellectual property assignment, transfer of trademark right, and trademark purchase and trademark assignment agreement. So in future, if you're planning for the trademark assignment or the trademark transmission, it's very important for you to get to know about the benefit or the privileges that you enjoy. The first benefit is the benefit of the legal proof, means the trademark assignment or transmission act as a legal proof. In future, it help in reducing the conflict or the litigation which arises. The second benefit is that the huge expansion of the business, means the business doesn't remain at one place due to the trademark assignment. It gets expand to the another places also, means a huge growth of the business arises. The next benefit is the benefit of the monetary benefit, that is for the assigner, and the already established business benefit goes to the assignee, means he has the privilege of getting the trademark assignment which have already been established. Documents required. So now let's quickly go through the document part. The document which you will be requiring at the time of trademark assignment, first of all, you will be requiring the affidavit of assigner, the assignment deed, and the ID proof of assigner and the assignee. Procedure to document the assignment of a trademark with the registry. So for the trademark assignment, there are two processes, means the assignment with the unregistered trademark and another is the assignment with the registered trademark. Assignment of the unregistered trademark. So section 39 states that the trademark could be allotted or transferred with or without the use of the goodwill of the business involved. Assignment of the registered trademark. In this case, the trademark can be partially or fully allotted or transmitted with or without the goodwill of the business to the another entity. Types of assignment and transmission of trademark. So there are four types of assignment and transmission of trademark, which we will explain you one by one as follows. Complete assignment and transmission. It means the transfer of all rights, including the right to further transfer. It also includes the right to royalty from one person to another. Partial assignment. In the partial assignment, the transfer of ownership is specified or transferred depending on the specific services or products. Assignment with goodwill. In the case of assignment with goodwill, the trademark is transferred, including all the right and values associated with the trademark from one person to the another. The assignment without goodwill. In this, the transfer of trademark by the owner is done in such a way that it can be used for the other purpose except for the original purpose. Process of assignment and transmission of trademark. So now let's quickly go through the procedure of the trademark assignment and the trademark transmission. First of all, the application has to be filled by the assigner or the assignee or the both in the application form TMP to the trademark registrar. The trademark registrar will dispose of his decision within 3 months. In case if the application is accepted, then the applicant will be informed about this assignment, and if some doubt is there, the registrar will simply reject the application in case of certain doubt. And after that, the trademark registrar will fill the information and will contact the assigner and the assignee for the information like, if approved, the registrar will make an entry in the register with detail the name and address of the assignee, the date of the assignment, where the assignment is in respect of any right in the trademark, a description of the right assignment, the basis under which the assignment is made, and the date on which entry is made in the register 1. So this was the procedure, but in case if there is any conflict and dispute between the two parties, means between the assigner and the assignee, then simply the trademark registrar will refuse, means reject your application till the matter is solved. So this was all in the trademark assignment and transmission. We'll connect soon with a new informative video. Till then, you take care. Bye-bye.